Okay, I'm supercharging over here in Savannah Airport, and it's a low parking garage, and you can see my trunk goes up this high, but my Falcon wing door will not go up any higher than it is right now. Even though it's got clearance room, it won't do it. Here's how I typically override it. You take this is the old design anyway, there's a newer design on these switches now. You just pull it out and hold it. Actually, wait there. Oh, whoa, okay, I see now why. It may not clear. Will it? Oh my gosh, that's really close. Let's see. Yeah. Well, it's gonna be really close. But it has stopped. I'm telling you, I've never experienced this before where it has stopped and it just won't go up at all. And it knows how close we are. I mean, look, we're really close to this concrete pillar. It's got sensors behind the metal. I don't know how this works. That's how it works. It's getting closer and closer. See, it won't go. I'm pulling the switch. Oh, right there. Now, I think it knows it's gonna hit. It is really close. Look at that. At least you don't have to worry about hitting anything. The question is opening things. So I'm not gonna try anymore. You guys can comment if you think it would work or not, but I'm just closing it.